From time immemorial, life has been pictured to be a journey of endless steps. And each step you take leads you closer to your dreams and desires. One day you are aspiring something to satisfy your imaginations, while someone else is conspiring with their thoughts to deliver the same. And that has led you here. Welcome back to African Real Estate, and this is Mungai Kihara, and today we are in Loresho, Nairobi. Today, we are in this gated estate that comes with the different forms of units, and the list has been started by condos, which has a price tag starting from 68 million Kenya shillings. On the other side, we have townhouses, and the prices are starting from 100 million Kenya shillings. And lastly, we have villas like this one, and the prices are starting from 113 million Kenya shillings. The print area of a villa like this one is 7,755 square feet. And we'll go to the main gate and start the tour. A gated estate is not gated enough if it doesn't come with common amenities. And in this estate, the list is endless, starting with saunas, clubhouses, swimming pools, kids play areas, and the list goes on and on. So what you get in a villa like this one is a plot size which is slightly bigger than a quarter and slightly smaller than a half. And you get 2 car parking on this side, and the other side you get another set of 2 car parking. Come with me. As I mentioned, this is a controlled estate which comes with security features installed in your unit and around the estate. You have 24-month security, you have CCTV cameras to check all the movement that is going around the estate, and also you have the security people on speed dial. The main entrance is a 5-foot mahogany door, and it has been done very well. This is not the only entrance that you can use. You can use another one in the dining area or on the other side of the kitchen. But before we get in, I want you to see the compound. The garden gets introduced by this orchard farm, and as you can see, it comes with several varieties of flowers. On my far front, you have your green space, and this is where you would sit or you would play the ball with your kids. As you can see, the greenery has not been spared. Everything has been done to the perfect optimum to make sure that this is a luxury home. The combination of green spaces and the stonework is something that this developer was focused on 100%. Just look at this home. This is your private space. And when you purchase a unit here, you'll need to use it. Let's go to the other side. When you purchase a unit of 100 million and above, you expect exclusivity. And this gated estate is on the best side of Westlands, just 8 minutes from Westlands Business Center. And in the estate, you get your private garden or your private compound. And the developer has given this good transparent wall, which will be filled with greenery some months to come. That is the rear side of the unit, and you get an external seating area. Let's go to the main entrance and access the unit. From the grey stonework to the zero-joint Naivasha yellow stone, this unit has been given an excellent facade to attract everyone. And when your visitors visit this home, they'll know that you spent a lot of money to live luxuriously. If there is something that I love, is a big, beautiful door. And when it comes in hardwood, makes it better. The door is opening to the mini foyer, and here you get your electrical connection to the main gate. You get a console table, very well done, and this is where you can do a mini shoe rack if you want to keep the shoes on the table. This side, we get the main living room. And before we talk about anything, just look at the floor to ceiling windows, and they are giving you an endless view and an indoor-outdoor environment. This has been done very well, and complemented by the beautiful center light. This living room is a gem. I would want to stay here. If I have money, I should be buying this home right now. And because I know you do, call us in the number that will be attached up here. This is the staircase, and it is a spiral staircase taking you to the upper level. The common washroom is just next to me. As you can see, it comes with a vanity, and on the other side, you get floating debris. The living room enjoys the double volume ceilings, which improves the feel and the spaciness of this space. On this other side, you have your bar area, and it has been done very well, getting 3 seats for you and your friends. On this other side, you get your wine racks, and this is where you can put your best wines. As you can see, on the bar space, you get a light fixture, and this one is a modern, very well done light fixture. Just look at it, very, very beautiful. And talking of the light fixtures, just look at the one on the ceiling. This developer was working very hard to make sure that the 113 million Kenya shillings is worthwhile. Let's proceed with the tour. The dining space has been separated from the living room by this wood patterning, and as you can see, the dining space is big enough to fit an 8-seater dining table like this. And you have a bench on the other side, just in case you have people who don't enjoy these seats. The dining area is opening to the outside sitting area through these sliding doors, and from there you are enjoying the best feel or the best breeze of Loresho. On my far front, you get the kitchen of this unit, and it has been done excellently. Just look at it. From there, you would agree with me that this is a $1 million kitchen. The kitchen comes with an island, a cooktop which comes with 2 induction burners and a floating hob. On this other side of the island, you can do some chairs just in case you want to have it as the breakfast table. As you can see, the kitchen comes with a double sink. The pressure is nice, and it is next to the window to give you enough natural light as you're washing your utensils. The combinations of the lower and upper cabinetry is giving you ample space for you to keep all your kitchen appliances and your crockery and cutlery. You are also getting an oven and a Bosch microwave. This is the space where you are supposed to do your refrigerator, and from there you can agree with me that the space is enough to do a side-by-side. The pantry of the kitchen is here, and it has been partitioned excellently. This would easily fit all your dry foods, and the space is ample for you to walk in and flex as you're picking them. The kitchen comes with a laundry area on this other side. Just come with me. And the space provided here is big enough to fit a washer and a dryer, and above it you get a space which can be used as the ironing area. This door is taking you to the rear side, which I showed earlier, and that should be your kitchen garden or your clotheslines area depending on your preferences if you don't want to use the dryer. On this other side, you get a sink for you to wash the tiny garments or the clothes that produce a lot of coloring. So you can wash them here instead of the washer. From here, we proceed to the guest bedroom, but before we do that, this kitchen comes with a dishwasher. And if you have a lot of utensils, you know that comes in handy. You are also getting an extra storage over here. and that has been done excellently. The guest bedroom is the only bedroom on this level, and one thing that you'll notice about these bedrooms is that the flooring is wood and it is very, very warm. I think if you are a developer doing any kind of development, and especially in our tropical environment, a wooden floor is the best thing to do. The guest sleeping space has been done very well, and it would easily fit a king-size bed like this one or a bigger bed. You are getting some spaces for the side drawers, and one thing that you notice is that the socket comes with USB-C. You have a massive window for enough natural light and an opening here that takes you to the outside sitting space. The guest bedroom comes with a mini walk-in closet done excellently. It is floor to ceiling and it has been partitioned very well. And on this other side, you get the guest bathroom. A WC is behind the door. Your mini vanity is here and it comes with a mirror. And this is the guest shower cubicle, which comes with a rain shower and a handheld. From what you've seen, tell me what you think about this development. Is it somewhere you would want your family to settle in? And if you have 113 million in the bank, would you want to purchase this unit? If the answer is yes, call us in the number that will be attached down here. We will take the staircase to the first level where we have the bedrooms, the family room, and the office. We have noticed that there is a ton of you who watch our videos and have not subscribed to this channel. This is your chance. Right now we are in the family room and it has been done very well. It would fit a 5-seater couch like this one or a bigger couch, and it comes with a beautiful center light. The window here gives you a ton of natural light, and you have the focal point where you can do a TV like this one. The wooden staircase and the styling of this development has been done spectacularly well. The developer and the architect worked in handy to make sure that this design is very unique. We have toured so many units, but we've not seen something like this. And the view of the living room from here is just magnificent. Come with me and look at it. If you would like to watch the shorter version of this video, make sure you check out our TikTok or our Instagram at African Real Estate. And now we proceed to the office. For the people who would want to purchase a unit like this or any other, make sure you get a pre-purchase inspection from us, and we will certify if the property that you are buying has all legal documents and if the structural works has been done well. This is the office or the study. It can be used for a purpose that you choose it to be used for. It has been done very well, and I like it that it comes with these shelves and a very nice chair for you to sit on. This villa gives you 3 bedrooms on this level. The first one is on my right, the second one is on my left, and behind me you have the primary. Let's start with this one. For 113 million Kenya shillings, the developer made sure that they give you big bedrooms to fit all your bedroom works or your bedroom activities. And as you can see, this bedroom gives you a space which is enough to do a king-size bed like this one. The painting part or this wall, which can be used for any activity. If you like cartoons, Pokemon, paintings, or anything else, you have big enough walls to do all that artwork. You have a sitting area or a dresser which you can use after you've come from the bathroom, which is on this other side. At the entrance of the bathroom space, you get the closet, and it has been done excellently with the spaces for the foldable clothes, and you have sliding doors to minimize wastage of space. This bathroom comes with a floating WC a vanity, and behind me you get a shower cubicle. The second bedroom on this level is just similar to the first one. The only difference is the orientation and the direction. That one is facing the east, this one is facing the west. That's why you can see the sun here. The size is just similar, and you get the bathroom on this side. The closet is floor to ceiling, and it comes with spaces for the hangable clothes and some drawers for the tiny garbage. And here you have some spaces for the foldable clothes. Interesting. This is the bathroom to this bedroom, and it is adopting a similar concept to the one that we saw in the other bedroom. A WC is behind the door. This is the vanity, and you have a shower cubicle. You are also getting extras like a towel holder, a soap holder, and a bidet sprayer. Welcome to the king's and the queen's room. And from the entrance you get a mini foyer that welcomes you to the primary bedroom. What you can do with the foyer is do a painting like this that inspires you to sleep. The main sleeping space is massive, and it would easily fit a king size or a queen size bed like that one. You are getting an extra sitting area where you can relax, do a prayer, or read a book. On my right hand side, you are getting an outside space or a balcony where you can sit and enjoy your drink or the evening breeze. With a wealth of over 100 million Kenya shillings, you need this standard, and it is a coat hanger that comes directly from a rotary. It has been furnished very well, and it is an excellent work of art. Interesting. I never thought this would do such a coat hanger. I have like thousands of these in the village. I think I should start another business. Anyway, on this other side, you have the walk-in closet. Just come here. And as you can see, it starts from there all the way to this other side where you have the mirror, and it has enough compartments for you and your partner. And if you have a ton of clothes that you don't regularly use, you keep them in the upper compartments. On my far front, you get an access to the primary bathroom, and it gets a double vanity which has been done very well, 2 mirrors. This is your bathtub, done excellently. You get a floating WC, a bidet sprayer, and on my far front where the videographer is, you have the biggest shower cubicle. That's all for this primary bedroom. A clubhouse gives you a ton of space to do all your activities, but if you like enjoying a bit of privacy, this is why you need a roof terrace. And as you can see, the roof deck has been done excellently. You have a space there which can act as your external rooftop gazebo, and this other space you would use it to do anything else. I don't know what you're planning for it, but you'll know when you purchase this unit. So call us in the number that will be attached in the first comment. If you would ask the team, they will tell you that this has been an excellent tour and we enjoyed showcasing it to you. So if you would want to buy a unit here or anywhere else, make sure you call us in the number that will be attached in the first comment or down here. That's all for today. We will see you in the next one.